Now, Mbekezeli's got pace. What a challenge, Mbokazi. What a challenge. Timed it perfectly, won the ball. Mbekezeli taking his time there.
From the flanks.
Vilepo taking on Mbokazi. And Mbokazi will get a big cheer from the Pirates fans on that far side as he stands his ground again. Would have had his heart in his throat when he deflected the ball goalwards, bailed out by a brilliant reflex save. Still his players, I should say. Allende wanting the 1-2 with Ribeiro Costa, who's a muscle. We are all square now. Again, Pirates generally have a good record when they've scored first in games this season for second spot. Stretching his legs down that left-hand side, his little pumps just come on. Excellent work there.
It's the two first division sides who face off first in the promotion relegation playoffs. Strong start here from SuperSport United. This is looking good. Oh, wow. What a crucial intervention there from Mbokazi. Positioned himself brilliantly. Let's look at this moment from the early opening stages of this first period.
I can see that Mbekezeli using his body very well.
Oh,
Aye there.
It's Aye, yeah. I did think it was Mabwe initially, but it rolls past him for Keenan Aye.
Yeah, and also what's clever as well from Mbokazi as well. You know, using his quick feet. Look at how he shuffles. Goes back, looking at the ball, putting his body on the line.
Was trying to slip a pass through to Rele Mofokeng. Now he's giving chase. He's got a bit of pace there. Yeah, excellent. Mbokazi comes up trembling again in a reorganized defense. This as he pops up.
This tie has been one that in recent times, at least the last decade, has favoured the home side as Mbokazi outmuscles Christian Sayle.
Such a big unit. Likes those battles to show us how strong he is, and he's very, very composed on the ball. He doesn't just kick the ball away, using his body very well. You can see he's trying to turn, doesn't find solutions. He turns again, trying to find out, maybe trying to play out as well, but Sayle is shut.
Mbokazi. Mofokeng. Dion Hotto. Mbokazi's on the move. Trying to steal the yards on Gianni, who he's won it off. Now he finds Mabasa. The touch got away from him.
It's called winds of change. And that's what they're hoping for.
Well, they could very well get something here. The shot blocked by the defence of Orlando Pirates. Nice play by Tsabang Moremi, who normally forages off the right-hand side. But yeah, it's a nice little run into the box, and Mbokazi suffers the consequences of that clash.
He's a strong man. I'm imagining him in this battle. It comes over him. What happens here? Kept his eyes on the ball. Good timing and
yeah, I reckon he's twisted a knee or something because he wasn't collided with. So there's the treatment on the ankle for the 19-year-old who's come through the junior ranks. 11th appearance for Mbokazi this season in the Betway Premiership.
He's indicating that he actually twisted that.
Maybe